Welcome back to Detroit EFL. Today we have lowball. This is a verb. I traded our car in and got a great deal on this Ford Escape.
Oh wow, I wish you would have asked me first, but anyways, how much they give you for an old car?
Unfortunately, not much. Only $400. They lowballed me.
What the? I can't believe you took that offer. Don't ever sell anything without me again.
Okay, that's the angry Brooklyn wife. This slang verb is common. To lowball somebody means that you offer a really low price for something, much lower than market value. It's a common trick people do to haggle or bargain. You offer $10 when the real price is worth $30. That's lowballing. I said it's slang, but that doesn't mean it's a bad word. It's not even really informal. You can say it in a business meeting as well as at home or in a store. So, once again, you can say it. If you lowball somebody, you're offering them a price way below what it's worth. This could be in a formal business transaction or at a traditional market where haggling is common. Like when I lived in Korea, I'd go to the traditional markets and it was common to haggle. You do not say it to the person you're haggling with. So you can't say, you're lowballing me. You'd say something like, nah, that price is way too low. This item is worth much more, or something like that. Instead, you use this word to a third person who's not involved with the transaction. It's a way of describing the negotiating process. This word kind of goes along with my other lesson on playing hardball. Go check it out. That's it. Drop me a question or comment below. And thanks again for watching.